My name is Brooke and I struggle with drinking pop. Um, yeah, classes are definitely getting more stressful and I'm super busy with like a lot of things right now. So one thing that has helped me is that I started drinking juice. Like I drink juice all the time now and like that's all I buy at the store. So I think that's really helped me when it comes to my support system. Like I said before, like my mom and like my closest friends like are always like, no, pop is bad for you, blah 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 blah, you shouldn't do it. And like when we go out to eat, they're gonna be like, oh, what are you gonna drink today, because they know that I can't drink pop. um, so that has really helped me with giving it up. And then my thoughts on like the difficulty level of recovering. I definitely do think it is difficult, and like if I didn't have any type of support system, I probably would have already like given up and like fallen back into it. But I think that like having a support system really can help. Otherwise, just like giving it up cold turkey and like just supposed to be okay with it, like I think that's really hard. And it definitely like takes time to get used to the changes, and like obviously your body isn't used to it right away, so it just takes a bunch of time to get used to it and get back into like the normal swing of things without that addiction there. So yeah, this week or like lately it's just been kind of like difficult, but like the one thing that has really helped me is just like drinking juice or like flavored water or something like that. So that I'm still drinking something with flavor and everything besides just water, but I'm also giving up that like pop and soda.